Once upon a time, in a colorful, whimsical village surrounded by an enchanted forest, lived a cheerful girl named Little Pink Riding Hood. She loved wearing her bright pink cape, and everyone in the village adored her. One sunny morning, Pink Riding Hood set off to visit her grandmother, who lived deep in the enchanted forest. With a basket of goodies in hand, she hummed a tune as she walked along the winding path. On her way, Pink Riding Hood met a clever-looking fox with shiny fur and twinkling eyes. "Where are you going, little one?" asked the fox. "To my grandmother's house," she replied, unaware of his cunning plans. Pink Riding Hood arrived at her grandmother's house to find the door slightly open. Inside, the house seemed different, darker and airier. "Grandmother, are you all right?" she called out. Pink Riding Hood